Hi, hello, welcome to Nursing Guru. Today we are discussing regarding the multiple choice question. In the previous video we discussed regarding that. In the next video also we are discussing about the multiple choice question. But this video specifically we are discussing about the cardiovascular system multiple choice question. Same like the previous video, this definitely will useful for the BSc Nursing students and GNM students and the nurses who are participating for the competitive examination. Alright, we can start the video now. So we can start with the cardiovascular system multiple choice question. Number 1. So which of the following is the thinnest blood vessel? Here same like every multiple choice question you will get 4 options. First is artery, second arterioles, third is meta-arterioles and the last one is capillary. So here the answer is option D, capillary. So here the second question, the arteries are composed of dash cord. How many cords? So here the options, it's arranged in a number 2, second option 1, third option 3 and the last option is 4. Here the right answer is 3, means the option C. Third question, which is the study of blood vessels called? 4 options are there. The first option pulmonology, second one electrophysiology, third one angiology and the last one is cardiology. Which is the right answer? The right answer is angiology. Angiology is a branch of medical science that focuses on the study of blood vessels including arteries, veins and capillaries. It involves understanding the structure, function, diseases and disorders of vascular system, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the circulation of the blood throughout the body. Next question, which of the following has the thickest wall? Let us check the options. The first option is right ventricle, second option left ventricle, third one right auricle and the last one is left auricle. Here the answer is option B. Okay, we can move to the next question. Pulmonary vein carries dash. It is like a filling the blanks. 4 options also is there. 4 options. First option is deoxygenated blood, mixed blood, oxygenated blood and pure blood. Here the option is C, means oxygenated blood. So pulmonary vein that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Next question is the artery is the blood vessels which carries blood to dash. Options are, first one is away from the heart towards the heart, next has deoxygenated blood without exceptions and last one is mixed blood. What is the answer? The answer is option A. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding this, don't forget to write it in the comment box. Next question is regarding the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity is the largest hollow space in the body. This is a true or false question. So, 2 options are there, true or false. Which is the answer? The answer is option B. Okay, I hope it is clear. So, we can check with the next question. How many compartments does thoracic cavity have? Definitely the option may be the number. So the first option, that is 3, next is 2, next is 1 and the last option, that is 4. Here the answer is option A. Okay. So the next question, which organ is present median to the lungs and posterior to the sternum in the thoracic cavity? So here you will get 4 organ names. First organ, that is trachea, second one heart and the last one, the third one is esophagus and the last one is diaphragm. Here answer is option B. Okay, alright, I hope this much it is clear. Next question, what is the name of serous membrane that covers the thoracic cavity? So you should find the name. Okay, so we can check the option because we have 4 options. First option is myocardium, second option pericardium, third one is pleura, and the last one is lining membrane. Here the right answer is option C, means pleura. Okay, so we can move to the next question. From where does the aorta originate? Here the question is, from where does the aorta originate? Here we can check the 4 options. First is right ventricle, left auricle, right auricle, and the left ventricle. The right answer is left ventricle, means the option D. Alright, I hope this much it is clear. So the next question, how many aortic valves are present? Here the options definitely and numbers. So which are the numbers? The first one is 2, second one is 3, and the third one is 4, and the last one is 1. Here the right answer is option C. Next question is, the aorta distributes dash type of blood. So here filling the blanks, we can find the options. First is oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, mixed blood, and cannot be determined. Here the answer option A. Okay. So the next question, we can move with the next question. Next question is, name the valve which is associated with the aorta. So we need to find the aorta valve name. Mitral valve, aortic valve, tricuspid valve, and pulmonic valve. Here option B is the right answer. So the next question is talking about which is the only organ that receive arterial supply from all 3 branches of the ciliatic trunk. The options, different organs names you will get. First is stomach, second is spleen, third one is liver, and the fourth one is pancreas. So the right answer is option A. Which artery supplies to the tail of pancreas? So check with the option. The first option, left gastric, right gastric, common hepatic, and splenic artery. So here without any doubt we can find the right answer is splenic artery. Next question, that is talking about the right subclavian artery that arises from dash. So here also we need to fill the blank space. Subclavian artery, common carotid artery, arch of aorta, and bronchocephalic trunk. These are the 4 options. Here the answer is option D. Alright, I hope this much it is clear. Any doubt, don't forget to write. Which of the following artery that provides the blood supply to the head and neck of femur? So the 4 options. So read the 4 options carefully and again read the questions and you can find the exact answer. So any confusion means eliminate the wrong answer and find the right answer. Here the option C is the right answer. The next question is, from which artery does superior and inferior gluteal arteries arise? So the 4 options are there. Check these 4 options and read carefully. Again, same like the previous question, read the questions and try to find the exact answer. Here the answer is option A. Next is, which is the name of series of arteries which supplies to the blood to the knee joints? Okay, so check with the options. Here also 4 options you will get, and the last option means the option D, that is the right answer. Okay, hope it is clear. So we can move to the next question, that is, which artery that carries blood to posterior compartment of the lungs? Okay, so this question also is very important for the GNM examination and as well as the BSc examination. So I hope you read all the 4 options and which is the right answer. Here the right answer is option C. Okay, next question. Portal system includes the vein which drains blood from dash. 4 options. What are the 4 options? Head and neck. Next is lungs and abdominal parts and kidneys. Which is the right answer? The right answer is abdominal part, means the option C. Next question, it is regarding portal circulation. Portal circulation ends in dash. Options, first is liver, second heart, the third one is stomach, and the last one is lungs. Here it is a portal circulation, so definitely the answer is A. Okay, next is name the vein that drains blood from gallbladder to directly into the hepatic veins. So the options, 4 options here you can see like a gastric vein, and 4 options is there. Okay, check with the 4 options. Here cystic vein, the last one, option D is the right answer. Okay, all right. I hope this much it is clear. Okay. So we can check with the next question, that is pulmonary vein that carries blood to dash right atrium, left atrium, aorta and lungs. 4 options are there. Here left atrium means the option B is the right answer. Okay, so the next question. What are the structures that keep blood flowing unidirectional? Okay, so here you can see the different 4 options and read the 4 options and find the exact answer. Here exact answer is valve, means the option D. Dash circulations takes blood from the heart to the lungs and back. Which circulation? Systemic circulation. Maybe you are studying about systemic circulation and all. So option systemic circulation, body, pulmonary circulations and blood. Here the exact answer is pulmonary circulation, or option C. Next question, that is dash returns blood from head, neck, thorax and upper limbs to the right atrium. Okay, I hope this question is clear. Otherwise, once again you have to read option superior vena cava, second option inferior vena cava, pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. Which is the right answer? The right answer is exactly right, option A. Okay, so another question, that is talking about the systemic venous system, that refers to the veins that drains into dash. We need to fill that blank area. Right ventricle, left atrium, right atrium and left ventricle. Here the option is this one. Okay. So compared to the artery, veins dash, something is there, you have to fill that one. So check with the options. The first option, how thinner walls. Second option, third option, fourth option is there. Read that one carefully and find the difference between these two. Here the option is option A. Okay. So the next question, dash circulation takes place from where the heart to rest of the body. Which are the option? Systemic, full body, pulmonary and heart to the lung. Here the option C is the right answer. So far we have discussed a lot of questions from the unit of cardiovascular system. I hope it is clear for everyone. If you have any doubts regarding these questions and options, you should write it in the comment box. Okay. So this is definitely useful for the BSc Nursing students, and the same like first semester, means the BSc Nursing first semester students who are appearing for the anatomy examination, and GNM students as well as the nurses who are preparing for the competitive examination. If you have friends like that, don't forget to share this video towards them. And if you are looking for the recent question paper, question bank or the semester based notes, it is available in our Nursing Guru application, and you can find this application from the Google Play Store. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and enable the bell notification so you don't miss any single video. Thank you.